Which way? Yeah, and then it goes out to the other one. Let me do a start though. I need to start it. Hey YouTubers, what's up? Fantasticville here in San Antonio, Texas, in the back of the Freeman Coliseum and AT&T Center here. They have an RV show. We're just coming by, look, check some things out. We'll do a walk around here and see how it goes. I know. I smell it. The small ones.
We went into that big room. Right here. Then you go to the brick room and then the one that's run across the hall.
My God.
I don't see it here, but
No, not that one.
just look.
You just like the length because you like it short.
Yeah, Joey and Jess are here.
I know, right?
Right?
You want to walk in this one, or there's someone at the door?
It's very, very unique. A lot of times we see things
Can you see the front?
Go walk. Yeah, walk in there.
Like for pulling with a Jeep, Jeep
It's okay for us.
You got his little dining area. This is the smaller one that we're in.
Yeah.
You got AC, fridge.
And then when
What's
you're
that one?
tired, just man.
Oh,
But
The
you know
toilet.
what, Daddy? How are you gonna go shower? And Joey.
well, you're short, you'll be okay.
This is here already.
Yeah.
Why? This one.
Yes.
Oh, this one. Wow.
1800?
That's like become more and more standard. What I like about the more ride versus the whippers, this is actually about 3 inches wider. You can actually sit on there and just use
Yeah. We could walk in there. Catalina's.
That's what I want. I don't really want to.
Which one?
Big for you.
I just want to go look at one.
I know. Oh my God.
Wow.
Look at this.
This one comes with a fireplace.
The color.
Oh, look. There's a bedroom in here.
When you retired, right? Oh
Hmm.
my God, that's pretty.
This is a towable. Most of these right now, section we're in is all towable.
Which one, Michael? Oh, this is a
I'll show you when we go.
This is like bed and
Yeah.
and then this 3.
Yeah, it's got a bed up here.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, huh? That's cool. Oh, this is 6 people.
Yeah, one
Two ano.
down here will
No,
turn
we
into.
don't need this big. Come on.
Oh, you saw the restroom? But then they got the door right there. So I guess you just need to use the restroom, and there's a shower.
Is that a door or glasses?
No, that's a door.
That's cool. This is better than the ano. Right? But you don't need this one.
Yeah, looking. Eventually we'll make our way back around because we're looking at different ones.
On the couch in the hen house.
Like a lot of these. Oh, look at this one.
Oh, it's big. It's big.
So you don't have to go back inside.
No, he's just gonna watch it.
Oh, look at the shower.
Oh no, but it's big for you, Daddy.
That's cool. That way, you know, you don't have to be going up and down. Say you're sitting out here, you don't go up and down. You don't have to keep walking inside. You just know right here.
Cool.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Here's a small one. Huh?
This one, right?
One full size? No, complete size.
Let me see this one.
Six.
Now here's another Viking. It's a small one. You want to go in that one?
This is big for you. This one will. Yeah, you don't need the bed. Look at the kids gonna sleep here.
Oh yeah.
This one and that one.
Yeah.
We don't need bed.
Open the door.
See? This
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. Yeah, I know, right? It's nice side look.
Yeah.
This one's got slide in there. Look at the center.
I know, right?
I just want to look at it. Man, this almost like a house.
What is the house? 59,000, you got shit, you're good to go. Right, huh?
Yeah, parked at an RV place.
Yes. The heck?
It's comfortable, huh?
Yeah. But you know what? This is the time you go like this accident, no?
Yeah, you can, yeah, because the way it's towed.
This one when you retire.
Mm-hmm. It's a regular size fridge.
Yeah, regular fridge. It's like, where are you gonna put your China cabinet?
Yeah, no China cabinet here.
No.
Go look at the room over there.
It's like,
Wow. Hmm. Got my paper.
you got your money.
Here's a little one.
Alright. No more, I know.
Some
no
more little.
monthly pay.
Right? Row of Light. Yeah, that one is.
That one good?
It's small. It's got the kitchen and all that. It's a Rove Light. Walk up there, see what that one is. No, me.
You need to walk. Go walk.
Go look. Wait.
Have bathroom?
Yeah, that's the only thing. The shower and the
Yeah, you
toilet
need to
right
go.
there. You just sit down and shower. But you'd probably have to get a step. When you get older, if you have that, you need a step.
Yeah.
No, we still gotta go that way.
It's the same thing. You know that's the same thing, right?
Yeah,
Only the name.
they're just different companies.
Yeah.
And then what they put inside.
This way or you did?
It's a good size.
Yeah.
This one?
This one?
Go upstairs?
Yes. For
Oops.
you,
Yeah,
you can try.
yeah. It's the master bedroom. They used to only have one door, but now they have two doors to get inside. Let's see. Lay down, see how long it is?
It's okay. You don't need to lie down.
It is a good size though.
Yes. Yes.
Mm,
Look at this.
yeah. This is what you could put in the
Good size.
kitchen right here, this style.
Yes.
This is in it. So I remember.
They have recliner.
They recline?
That's it. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, we're checking these recliners out. If it comes with it, it'd be awesome. It's soft.
This is, yeah.
Hmm.
This I don't find like your
Okay. Yeah. Oh, and that's the.
So for you good, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. That one $211 a month. Somebody goes by.
Huh?
You hear the bell?
What?
You didn't hear the bell ring?
Somebody buy?
Yeah.
Just trying to figure out how tall it is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, this is so.
Yeah, but you could order it and then
Bunk beds go back there.
they have that's why when you drive by they have these sitting everywhere else.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh wow.
I gotta get this done.
They've already sold 3. There's 3 tags on that one.
I gotta get this. I want this. Right?
This was our first trailer floor plan.
Like this size?
Oh, yeah.
This exact trailer.
Oh man.
Oh.
They liked it and all that? Yeah.
We liked it. We sold it. Got one that has a slide out.
Oh, okay.
Which really opens
It pops
it up
out,
a
yeah.
lot. But we were very
The
happy.
first one?
Yeah, this one, okay.
Yeah.
And then the 2 beds there.
Yeah.
We got 2 kids, yeah. Right? And the color that.
Yeah. Fridge. Freezer.
Yeah. I think this one okay to me.
Freezer?
Is Michael like this
No, I'll show you.
or big?
No, it's drivable. The driving
Because
kind.
you know why the kids look.
Yeah. It's the driving kind.
Diba?
Yeah.
You're okay to drive this?
Yeah, this is a tow.
Oh my god. Or a small one. Small better.
This is good size.
Yeah.
It's not bad. They already, I know.
Like this, huh?
They already sold 3 of them.
That price.
That's a good.
Can't beat that price.
I know. That's we're looking at
We
too.
we got a 17 footer JL.
Yeah.
Same price. I mean, yeah, this one's what, a 20 footer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's what the one guy was talking to us. He said he had one of these before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For his first one, and said that was nice. He liked it. So
So,
we got some deciding now. We'll keep walking around.
yeah, it's low. Did you announce?
Yeah. Yeah, I got the information. That's a nice one though. And then the thing comes out.
Yes.
And then extra storage. We got extra storage. And that guy said he liked it when he had it.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Yeah, the other guy too though.
Then, that's good. Mine too.
I know. We'll go to the other side. Let's go look in this big one real quick.
Right? We don't need a big one.
I just want to look in it. Man, that's... You can fit a bed in there.
Fit the bed. Well,
42 foot.
140.
I know. I want to go look inside it, dude. Damn. More stores. Oh, you know what this is for? Oh, wow. Come look at this. It's got steps to go upstairs. Okay, why are you downstairs? The closet space.
What the heck?
That was nice.
I know. That's only for me.
I
I
know.
need some more. That's for my LBO. I gain weight again after eating that chihuahua.
It's okay.
I gain weight more.
And then they got those fans and everything.
Freeze pin.
Here we go, automatically. How you doing today?
Let's go to the other side. Right here. You probably have that, no?
Yeah.
They got Frito pie. Oh,
$8.
how much?
Hey.
Nah, cool. So here's all the driving.
Oh yeah, this is the guy.
Yeah.
I know. Okay, let's go. This is how small. Look at that.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Oh yeah. That's the price of our old house.
Yeah. That's our friend. That's you. I know.
Look at this, all the room there.
That's beautiful.
Cooler. Go in there, just sit in the seat.
That's how
Go
small.
sit in the driver's seat. I wanna,
Go.
and then I'll try it.
Oh my
I like the towable ones I saw
Yeah.
there. These are nicer.
That's beautiful. Okay, let's go.
I like that towable.
Yeah, look at the leather.
Why are you looking at that? That's pretty nice.
See, these are more towable. These are big though. Right?
Yeah, this is the house.
We go to the other side over there?
Yeah. This is forever house.
Yeah. I have a coworker, he retired, he got one of these.
Oh, just go naman?
But he sold his house.
That's a house.
Yeah, he sold his house. There's more.
And then she got like that.
Yeah, and then he got like this. And that's all they do is drive in that now.
Yeah, driving around.
Yeah.
The TV.
Yep.
And you're going down the road? Okay, I know what we're doing now. About 26.
Do you want anything?
Does this go to the other? Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, you can come back.
Yeah, and then go to that side. Hey, we're going to the second side over here. Check out the other area here. Again, we're over at the Freeman Coliseum area behind the AT&T Center, Amphitheater Coliseum. There's the back side. That's nice though. The color. Alright, here's a smaller drivable. Yeah, most of these. That's what he has.
Oh,
Like that.
yeah, this is cool.
This one here.
Oh, so we get, how much is this? This is
I think his is silver. He's got a gray or silver.
Oh, yeah. Like
And then that one pops up. Yeah. He's got a silver one.
164.
You want to look at it?
You know why, Daddy? Because so you drive it to school.
Yeah. Oops, sorry. You doing the same? Just go. Yeah, this is the style he has.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it looks like this. I don't know the inside. I didn't go inside. Is the window up?
Yeah.
Oh, it's, huh.
I like this one, Daddy. What is 120? Whatever, I know.
Where's the?
This is a lot.
Here's the sink and the no.
And the shower?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yeah. Well, you take the carpet out.
Yeah.
Hmm.
This is one is good. For
Yeah.
travel. Yeah. And it's good for you
Mhm.
because it's fun.
Yeah, oh yeah. I love the bathroom
You
too.
don't have to see.
This might work.
Oh, that's what that is.
Another.
Yeah. This is.
The first
That's a Dodge.
Oh, there's a Dodge.
Yeah, this is Dodge. So,
You know, in the building, the outdoor.
but this, yeah, this one won't have a shower though. So you have to go somewhere that has one. So it's got the bed and that. But the other one had a shower, the Mercedes. There's some real small one.
Yeah, it's small.
It's got twin beds. Huh. Go look at it real quick. Showers right here.
Good. Oh, yeah, it's
Toilet.
good too. But this is to connect in the truck.
Yeah,
Under
yeah.
the
Towable.
van.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The van.
yeah. I like that one.
I just want to see in there.
Yeah, sleep over
Yeah, it's just like a,
outside. Yeah,
basically just a sleep.
that's for just with the sleep only.
Just sleep.
Right?
Yeah. Basically that was, that's just a sleeper really. Look at this one. Yeah, these are all the. Yeah, so Freelander. Yeah. It just depending how much you put down to. Yep.
Here's the winner for the road.
That's a good color. Yeah.
And it's good.
Your Harley Davidson. For the Harley Davidson.
And the neat thing about it is one of my boards is with and let me know that
This is good though, huh?
I like it. The big. What you feel? What you feel? Huh?
That's when you just bought him one, I thought.
No, with long as that, it's lifted on the back end, right?
It's up for you.
You said they can't watch it?
Old people can get up and down. I'm ready.
You're not short?
all you gotta do is get off to the front.
You feel good?
Yeah, you can drive it through.
Oh, yeah.
Go in there.
No, I like it. I like it. How much is that?
No tower, no rest.
Oh, this is great.
This one
Where have
does.
you found them? I've never seen them.
Huh.
Hey, it's a Durango here.
I don't remember what it was I didn't like about it.
The price is on the other side. But look, the cameras. It's right there. They put them all on the side. It's right there. It's got a big fridge.
I was just right here, right?
Are you okay to drive it?
Yeah, it's same with you. Yeah. Oh, it's got a. You could sleep one up here.
Yeah.
So one there.
Yeah, right? I think this is the one I also got. Go like this.
Mm-hmm.
I think the better the one.
And the big bed's back there.
The price should be.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, the bed's back in the back.
Is this a slide out the back side?
Yeah, this is slide out. There's two on the back side.
What makes it? That's why it's so tight.
This is. You gotta pay. Look how the door opens, though. Well, it's good, but if you're not paying attention, you're gonna hit yourself. Like I hit my hat. I hit the hat. Yeah. This one's good though.
Yeah, I like it. because
On the back it says the pleasure van.
right. 164 1,000.
Yep. But at least it's got.
And you can fight.
Yeah, that comes down.
That's where we are for now.
I'm gonna stop it here.
Get the bag.
The what?
The yellow bag and the popcorn.
Probably in there with someone. Hey YouTubers, Jose Fantasticville here in San Antonio. Like I said earlier, outside the backside of the Freeman Coliseum. We just did the whole Expo RV tours. There's a towable that looked real nice that we liked, and then a drivable, smaller drivable, but they all look nice. If you like this video, go and like, share, subscribe. Have a good day. Adios.